YOLO, hello everybody. Welcome to Sol Vida Worldwide Live this very Tuesday. I wanted to give you guys some booty stretches and talk a little bit about self-care through the booty. Imagine that. Definitely specialize in shaking the booty divinely here in the land of Sol Vida. For those of you that don't know what Sol Vida means, I like to say that Sol is calling in the energy of the sun, and Vida is activating the vibrancy of life. And I am Ashe, and I'm here to bring the light. So before we get into our little booty stretches and self-care talk, I want to let you guys know what's happening in the land of Sol Vida and how you can be involved in deepening your dance and wellness practice for yourself, no matter where you are in the world. Let's see, so many cool things are just going on. This is the last opportunity for people in Denver, Colorado to see Once on This Island at East High School. There are 5 more shows tonight, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'll put a link for tickets in the comments. I just realized I didn't do that. And then, super duper excited. I've been kind of sitting on this for a minute, but now that I'm done choreographing the musical, I have more space to put more things out into the world for all of you. And that is, we are gonna do another Sol Vida slumber party. After the last one, it just didn't feel like enough. I can't tell you, it feels like every dance experience that I have leading people, I'm just like, this is not enough, I want more. And I just remember one of our Unwind and Grind veterans being like, I want more, I want more, I want more. And that just made me so freaking happy. And so I'm creating another one. And we're gonna do it the first weekend in January 4th and 5th in Manitou Springs, which is where we held our last retreat. And we're gonna be in, they have 2 different lodges up there, and we're gonna be in the other lodge. And I'm just really excited because these lodges have built-in dance and movement spaces. There's hot tubs. There's opportunity to go soak in mineral springs. We're gonna do our divine booty shaking night, and then I wanna leave you all with New Year's Visions is the theme of this retreat. And so it's a one-night ditty, but I want to not only give you an opportunity to shake yourself and release and be in nature, but to also plant those seeds of intention to create the dream, to create the life of your dreams. And I have some really cool things I want to share with you all at that retreat. So it's going to be limited amount of people that can go on this, and I'm going to be releasing the registration information next week. So stay tuned for that. What else? Oh, so I'm marinating. I'm just going to tell you this, and we should have some official news in the next few days, but I want to offer a season of Unwind and Grind to my folks in Denver that helped me start this movement. We're booking Unwind and Grind in San Francisco, in New York, and some other places in the new year that I'm really excited about, but I wanted to give my veterans in Colorado an opportunity to get as much booty shaking as you can and while I'm still in Colorado. So we're gonna be doing a season of Unwind and Grind, probably about 4 classes between November and December. And then I'm also gonna do some pop-up workshops. The pop-up classes over the summer were just a total hit, and I've had the request and questions for more. So stay tuned for those dates. I'm just locking it in with the venues, and we'll announce that ASAP rappers. Final announcement is that I'm doing Sol Vida Freedom Sessions, and what that is an opportunity for you to study one-on-one with me. It's kind of nice being seasoned in life, if you will, because I just have a lot of experience at this point in my life, and I have a lot of tools and resources and things that I just love to share. I think this is part of what I came here to do, and through the body. So to help you with your dance foundations, to help you with your self-esteem in movement, to help you create choreography or prepare for an audition, or to help you start manifesting things more in your mind. There's all kinds of things we can do. So it's like dance and wellness sessions that are just for a you. So there's a link to solvidaworldwide.com so you guys can check out all of those ways to get involved. And we're also booking our Cut the Edge intensive. So if you have high school aged dance company or theater company, you literally want to talk with us, me, myself, and I, about this, because I'm going into different dance studios and companies and helping set statement pieces. These are pieces that are revolutionary and allow your dancers to say something with their body. So ask me more questions about that. I want to work with you and your companies. All right, I think those are the big announcements for the moment. So let's get into this booty stretching business. We're just going to keep this fairly informal, and let's begin here. Crisscross applesauce. I realized just yesterday, after not taking the best care of myself and just giving, that of course I was depleted and sore. So yesterday I took a total self-care day and went to the spa, got a massage, and was like, damn, the body holds so much. We have to give ourselves outlets to release the body. The body tells us everything. So listen, I promise you can get to the root of your issues if you take the time to listen to your body. And that's a whole nother deeper conversation that we can have on another day. But for now, crisscross applesauce. And I'll do a little diagonal just to see. So we're talking about basically hip opening stretches. For me, I carry a lot of my stress and feelings in my buttocks for some reason. Go figure. But we want to just figure out a couple ways to open that up. So from here, you're just going to walk it down. And you just want to go as far as feels good until you can also feel some stretching occurring in that area. And you just want to breathe into these stretches. So we're going to just hang out and breathe together for a moment. When you come up, you want to roll up vertebrae by vertebrae so that your head is the last thing to rise. And not only is this a great hip opening stretch, but it's a great back stretch as well. So go ahead and switch the foot that's in front and just repeat that on the other side. We'll take 3 nice deep breaths when you get to that place that is down and comfortable. Good. And sometimes you can kind of rock back and forth too, just to do what feels good for your body. And then roll it up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Had a great conversation with my friends the other day about being pretty picky about yoga teachers. And I was thinking I'm pretty attached to the yoga teachers that I really like. And one of my yoga teachers taught me this. Shouts out to Richard Ramirez at Kindness Yoga. He does align and flow classes, or used to, but taught me some of these modifications. So heels to the floor, and just gonna cross it over like a number 4. And this is what it looks like. I don't know why we call that a number 4. Does that look like a number 4? Anyway, you can play with this in a lot of ways. Sometimes I just like to do this. Man, it looks so simple, but it can be so intense. Anytime you're feeling the intensity while stretching, you want to breathe deeper. You never want to do anything that doesn't feel right or hurts, but if it's just like, oh, this is intense, keep breathing. If it's like painful and you feel stuck and like not good, don't do it. So this is one version of this that we can do. And if you want to take it a step further, you can drop that leg. And let me know if you guys are here too today. Send me little waves and stuff. I like to put palms on the feet. Also just a good grounding thing. But you can just do a gentle, and please be gentle with this one. Again, you want to feel where it feels the best. For me right now, stretching to this side is great. Like it's opening more of this situation for me. And so we're working on opening up our hips, loosening the booty. And then a classic way to go from here is just to drop this foot, okay? And then you want to try to keep both hips on the ground. And you can lift up, and you can go over your back shoulder. Now, again, this is really gonna open up your back. If you want to really push that hip, really dig this foot into the floor. And I like to think of pressing my hip out to the side and just play with that. Man, it can get really something. You want to keep your body loose. You want to stay in your body so that your feelings and the toxicity of the world doesn't take over you. This is, I think, a true way to stay happy and calm and grounded and reduce anxiety is just taking the time to stretch and be in the body. But particularly these little booty stretches are big. So I get a little stuck there sometimes. So just shake it out, and then we'll do the other side. So again, feet are flat, up and over. We're creating this shape right here. And then you can rock it side to side. You can press it forward more. If you want to get closer to your heel, that can be a little bit more intensifying. And breathe. Bueno. Awesome. And then for that next level, bring that in a little bit. You can touch the soles of your feet and just come down and breathe. And find the spot that feels good. I think I used to feel weird in dance classes. Nobody ever really gave me permission. My teachers didn't say do it in a way that makes me feel good. I thought that I needed to do it in a certain way, and I never felt like I was doing it right. So I like to give you permission to find what feels good for you, particularly with this next one that we're going to do after this. We're going to do the up and over here. And again, that's for the back. Ground it down. You can even lean over more to the side to get the booty crack-a-lackin'. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to shake that out. And we're going to finish up with like a pretty classic yoga pigeon, or yeah. There's different ways to get into this, I think is where I was going just now, but we're just going to go from here. Now this is that position I was talking about, like being, we used to do this in jazz dance class a lot when I was growing up, and I never knew if I was doing it right. It always felt really weird to me. So there's different ways that you can get into this. So I like to think about coming over my hip. Some people that can be weird for your knee. So you have the option to also tuck your toes under. You can even come over more to the side, or even bring this out more in front and land. Just play around with what's good for you. Today, I'm like here. But again, we're trying to open up that side hip, the booty area. And I can't tell you how many times I've cried in this position. Like I said, it seems to be a holder of the emotions, the booty. Do the other side. And then spend as long as you want after this, you guys, playing around with these different stretches. And what feels good? Sometimes it feels good to just stay up. You can also take this into total surrender. Do what feels good for you. Awesome. Cool beans. So, those are a few stretches for your booty and taking care of yourself. Part of our greatest self-care acts are staying in the body and celebrating the body that we have, no matter what's going on. You know, everybody's got issues. Some of them are physical, some of them are emotional, some of them are other. But I want you to know that wherever you're at, whatever body you're in, whatever spirit, mind, emotional space you're in, you find some way to move, to allow yourself some freedom in your body. If it's shaking your wrist, if it's wiggling your ankles, if it's going for a jog, whatever you do. But dance. I encourage you to dance. So hopefully y'all catch up on the Sol Vida train. We are getting ready to chug along here again. So stay tuned and mark dates in your calendar and make sure that you get connected when and where you can. Let me know if you guys have any questions about any of these things, and I will touch base with you here at Sol Vida Worldwide Live next week. Until then, many blessings. Stay in the light and take the time to be well with yourself and take care of yourself no matter what crazy stuff is going on in this world. We need you to be strong. All right, much love. Much love. What's love? All right, deuces.